Daisani Alison Madueke, a name that means different things to different people. While some see a three-time minister of different ministries, others see a first-timer on so many levels. The first-time female Minister of Transportation, Solid Minerals and Petroleum Resources. The first woman to be appointed to the board of Shell Petroleum Development Company Nigeria. The first woman to be OPEC president. And most recently, the first minister of the Jonathan administration to be arrested.
I'm not surprised that this happened because in the last few weeks we're aware from the news, that the Petroleum Ministry and NNPC particularly is being investigated, and anybody who has done wrong will be prosecuted.
Since President Muhammadu Buhari was sworn in as president, the former minister has stayed away from Nigeria. Daisani, who held the position of Petroleum Minister from February 2010 to May 29, 2015, became one of the most controversial ministers of the past government.
General Muhammadu Buhari, before he got elected, he ran on three important issues. One of the issues is security, the second is corruption, and the other one is jobs.
She has been trailed by controversies for some time now. In June 2008, Alison Madueke was subject of Senate probe over a 30.9 billion naira allegedly paid to contractors between 26 and 31 December 2007 when she was head of Transport Ministry. Other allegations include her alleged spending of billions of naira on private jets and an alleged missing $20 billion of oil revenue under her watch. In October 2009, the Senate indicted her and recommended her prosecution for allegedly transferring 1.2 billion naira into the private account of a toll company without due process and in breach of concession agreement. However, she has never been, and the former minister maintains her innocence.
PwC probe that was done should be reinvestigated. They should go back to that probe and give Nigerians a headway from where we are now.
There were also the controversial subsidy regime in which the former minister was accused of collaborating with dubious oil marketers.
Every sector will be affected. Every social strata of the society will also be affected. And that's why issues of fighting corruption is something that is so dear to us.
Daisani Alison Madueke's recent arrest in London was said to be for bribery and corruption. But it would seem that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, have their chance to begin the process of charging the former minister for the numerous allegations raised during her management of the petroleum sector. Nigerians wait to see how it plays out. Hawa Kasim, AIT News, Abuja.